Good morning, grade fours. Hope everyone is well. Today we'll be looking at mathematics, and the topic is subtracting fractions with the same denominator. And last time we spoke, we were doing adding fractions with the same denominator, but this time around we were doing subtraction. This is the sign for subtraction, and here we have a fraction. A fractions, last time we said that a fraction has the top part and the bottom part. The top part of a fraction is called a numerator. The bottom part of a fraction is called a denominator. And this time around, we'll be subtracting fractions with the same denominator. And here we have 8 over 10 minus 3 over 10. When you are subtracting these two fractions which have the same denominator, here the denominator is 10, and this side the denominator is 10. We all see that they are the same. So whenever you are subtracting or we are working this out, you do not change the denominator. The denominator stays the same. Are we clear? So all you have to do is subtract the two, the numerator, the top part of the fraction. So we will say 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Last time I gave you a way of counting using your rulers, but then we can use this other way. But I would love for you to use your rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. The denominator stays the same. So it's going to be 10. Or you can use your ruler. Okay, you can use your ruler to count. Your ruler is like this. There is 1, there is 2, there is 3, there is 4, there is 5, there is 6, there is 7, there is 8. In your ruler, you take out your 30 centimeter ruler, you count from, you make sure that it's from 1 to 30. So we are subtracting 8. You are saying 8 minus 3. So this is what you're going to do. You go to your ruler. You go to your ruler. You go to 8. You go to 8. You put your right hand to 8. Then you start counting how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5. That will be all. Okay. What's important for you to know here is that we are now subtracting. We are no longer adding. And also, the other important thing for you to know is that you do not change the denominator. It stays the same. You only subtract the numerator, the top part of the fraction, whatever number you are given here. It could be a, let me make another example. It could be 6 over 9 minus 2 over 9. All you have to do here is subtract, you say 6 minus 2, which will give you 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left. So the answer will be 4. Then the denominator will be 9. So you do not change this. You only subtract the 2, you get your answer. That will be all you have to know. Make sure you don't change this, you only subtract the 2. So I will be giving you work from your textbook. I will write a few questions for you to answer in one of your exercise books. You will have to use one exercise book, but I will explain later through an audio that I will send on the WhatsApp group. So that will be all. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.